Hello guys, welcome to EduHub YouTube channel. This week on our scholarship updates, we bring you another school that offers the China-Africa Friendship Program, and this school is Xiangtan University. And for those who have yet not applied, please, this is an opportunity to still catch a full scholarship package in China, especially if you're an African student. So let's zoom straight into how to apply for this scholarship. So for this particular scholarship, the coverage is tuition fees, accommodation, health insurance, and a living stipend. So if you're a master's student, you get 3,000 yuan a month, and then if you're a doctoral student, you get 3,500 yuan a month. And for the eligibility, you have to be a healthy African who would be able to perform academic program in a foreign country. And then if you're applying for a bachelor's, you should be 35, and then the master's, you should be no more than 40 years. And the language criteria, the program instruction is in English. So our African friends who are coming from French speaking country or non-English speaking countries, you have to demonstrate that you can speak English. So it's either you demonstrate an English proficiency letter or an English test. This could be an IELTS or a TOEFL. And for those of us who have our programs taught in Chinese, then you have to also demonstrate your proficiency in Chinese by using the HSK. If you want to study at Xiangtan University on the China-African Friendship Program, you have to apply to these programs, this specific program. It's a master's or a doctoral program, either in law, either international law, cooperative law, or criminal justice or corporation, and then investment or trade law. So those of us who want to study in the program, and the schooling period is 3 years. Yes. So quickly, let's go through the application. Once you are done with the application, then you have to email it to the link attached. So quickly, let's run through the process. So how to apply? We are supposed to go to the Study in China CSC portal, and then we upload the documents that is needed. So let us go straight into. So I right click, open a new tab. This is our CSC homepage where we are going to do our application. So for those of us who do not know how to create a link, we are going to link our previous video in the description box below. You can check out on how to create a link, how to create an account on the CSC portal, and then how to even log in. So we already have a link already, so we just log in with our account. We enter our details, and then we log in. So once we log in, you click on online application, and then you come to my applications. So for those of us who still want to know more updates about the first time user, you can click on the link in our description box below to look at how to edit your personal details and set up your account for the first time. And then once you are on this portal, you can click on add a new application. So add a new application, and then on the school portal they have the school code. So copy and then paste. We now go through the process of selecting the details. If in Chinese proficiency, none. English proficiency, excellent. I'm applying, if you're applying as, for in this instance, I'm applying as a doctoral student, and then you choose the language of study. So either masters you choose discipline applying for law, and then you choose any of the areas that have been listed here. Once you are done with that, you go ahead to upload your documents in this link below. And for those of us who still want to know how to upload documents, you can check out on the link in the YouTube description below for another detailed video on how to do that. Once you are done with all, you submit your application, and then you download the form by clicking on print form. Once you click on the print form, you can download the form, and then we email it to the email in this link. If you have any other questions, you can just quickly call the school for update. The applications runs from now till June, so guys, make sure you check it out, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more scholarship updates. Thank you very much.